Hello beautiful folks, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to yet another tutorial, another day, another video. Happy to see again all of your smiling faces. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photos like Amy Song Instagram profile. If you don't know, then she is a very fashion blogger and a famous Instagram profile. Then guys, don't forget to follow that profile on Instagram. She doesn't have that particular color grading style, but we will choose one of the photos and we will edit that kind of effect in Lightroom. Apart from that, I'll also give you that preset file in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, camera preset, and just for free from the links down given in the description. You can just download it. And guys, we really do respect her color effect and the profile, and we are really inspired from that. So guys, before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. So guys, here is the profile of Amy Song. You can just follow her on Instagram, and we're gonna just edit the photo like her. And here let's take one of the example photograph. Now we're gonna just edit this kind of color effect to our photos. So let's open some photograph to our Lightroom. Let's take this photo and we're gonna just add a little bit of contrast to get that more moody blackish effect, and just add a little bit of, we're gonna just decrease the highlights because the photograph has a little bit of low light. So we're gonna just decrease the highlights, and we're gonna just decrease the shadows because we want to make it look more darker, as well as make it look more pop out. So we're gonna just increase the whiteness, also the black effect we're gonna just decrease it. And now let's go to the red primary color and just add a little bit of saturation and just make it to minus around 3 to 5, and just make it the saturation plus 21. And go to the blue primary color and just make it to minus 12, and just make the hue to kind of reddish effect of the skin tone, and just make a little bit of saturation here also. So just make so now we're gonna just go to the HSL tab, go to the hue and just select the green color, and just make it the green color to kind of very perfect moody green like color. So just make it to plus 33, and select the yellow color and just make it to minus around 27, and just leave as it is the aqua and blue color. Now the next important thing is to add the shadows to the photograph. So we're gonna just select the shadows and just make the shadows of that to kind of bluish color. Here you can see the photo has kind of greenish blue color shadow in his photos. So we're gonna just make it to the bluish effect. So you can see the difference. This black color shadow it is looking kind of very bluish green. So just make a saturation to plus 10, just a little bit would be pretty much perfect. So you can see the difference. Here's the before and here is the after. A huge difference can be seen in the photo. So you can still do some more adjustment by adding the sharpness effect. So let's just save this preset. So you can just name it as ABC, Amy Song inspired. You can just download this preset in the form of mobile Lightroom as well as desktop Lightroom, and also the camera preset for your Photoshop. So I'll just put all the links down given in the description. So let's just try this preset to other photo. Here is the FP Amy Song ABC 2020. So let's just select this photo and let's apply this preset to this, and you can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing, guys. You should use these your photos to stand out your photos from the rest and just make a unique portfolio. You can see the difference, minor edit, but the color is very much greenish. The shadows are very much greenish blue effect, which actually makes a very pretty much perfect close look to that of Amy Song. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just hit the like button, and if you still not subscribed yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, mobile Lightroom preset, LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also check out second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we can upload soon the most creative and the powerful preset. So stay tuned on that website also, and also guys don't forget to follow us on Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching.